Each year, China not only leads the world in silk production, but also accounts for 80% of the global output, producing over 100,000 tons of silk. Billions of silkworms are raised to create this precious material, which is widely used in both daily life and industry. Today, we'll explore the process of silkworm farming and silk production in China, from traditional methods to modern technologies. To get started, leave a comment with the number 1 if you're ready. The silkworm, an insect that has been domesticated for thousands of years, is a source of high-quality silk production. Each mature silkworm can produce about 1,000 meters of silk during the cocooning process. To produce 1 kilogram of silk, around 5,000 to 6,000 silkworms are needed, which is equivalent to raising more than 5,000 silkworms. Although their appearance may seem unusual to many, behind this exterior lies a priceless resource. Selecting silkworms requires meticulous care and experience to ensure the quality of the eggs and the health of the next generation. The silkworm eggs are laid in large batches and carefully collected, then placed in an incubation environment with strictly controlled temperature and humidity conditions. When the young silkworms, also known as larvae, hatch, they enter a phase of rapid growth. To support this process, farmers provide fresh mulberry leaves, the only source of nutrition for the silkworms. Mulberry leaves not only provide essential nutrients, but also directly affect the quality of the silk produced. These leaves are finely chopped to make it easier for the silkworms to consume, ensuring the healthy development of the larvae. It is surprising to learn that a silkworm can consume up to 50,000 times its body weight during the larval stage. This requires a massive supply of mulberry leaves, which is why many farmers have started growing mulberry trees as a supplementary activity to silkworm farming. Today in China, the area dedicated to mulberry cultivation has reached millions of hectares, ensuring a stable supply for the silk production industry. Throughout the silkworm farming process, maintaining a clean and safe environment is essential. Farmers often use lime powder, a traditional yet highly effective method, to disinfect the silkworm rearing areas and control the pH, helping prevent diseases and creating ideal conditions for the silkworm's growth. The optimal temperature for silkworms is between 20 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius, with humidity maintained at around 80 to 85%, all aimed at maximizing survival rates and improving the quality of the silk. Feeding the silkworms is a task that requires patience and is typically done manually. However, with continuous innovation, Chinese farmers have developed modern equipment to optimize this process, ensuring the stable and efficient development of the silkworms. It is this combination of traditional methods and advanced technology that has helped China solidify its leading position in the global silk industry, not only meeting the growing demand for high-quality silk, but also significantly improving productivity and product quality. During the silkworm farming process, farmers use square frames made of wood or paper, simple yet effective tools that create a safe and stable space for the silkworms as they begin the cocooning process. This is a crucial stage when the silkworms start spinning silk and forming their cocoons. These specialized frames help support the silkworms in completing the silk spinning process and forming their cocoons. Each farm can harvest millions of silkworm cocoons each season, creating an impressive sight. In China, silk production companies purchase large quantities of cocoons from farmers, generating significant income for local communities. This not only boosts the regional economy, but also helps preserve the traditional silkworm farming industry. After being harvested, the silk cocoons are placed into a boiling process, an essential step in silk production. This process not only helps separate the silk threads easily, but also sterilizes and removes impurities, ensuring the silk is of optimal quality. Before the support of modern machinery, the process of reeling silk was an art that required skill and precision. Experienced farmers would carefully perform each step to create the perfect silk thread. Today, after being softened, the silk cocoons are placed into industrial reeling machines. Inside the machine, silk threads from multiple cocoons are simultaneously drawn out and wound into a continuous thread, ensuring ideal strength and length. A typical silk thread has a diameter of only about 10 micrometers, thinner than a human hair, yet its tensile strength can be as strong as steel of the same weight. Modern silk reeling machines have significantly increased productivity and uniformity of the silk threads. However, for special or intricate types of silk threads, traditional handcraft methods are still used. The perfect combination of advanced technology and traditional craftsmanship not only ensures the production of high-quality silk, but also creates a variety of silk fabrics that meet the demands of the global market. After being reeled and wound, the silk threads undergo various processing steps depending on their intended use. Some threads are woven into smooth, even silk fabric for high-end fashion, embroidery, and exquisite handcrafted products. Chinese silk is not only renowned in the fashion and interior design industries, but also finds applications in medicine, especially in the production of surgical sutures due to its safety and superior biocompatibility. In industry, silk also plays a crucial role in insulating electronic devices. Additionally, silk is used in cosmetics, shampoos, and skincare products due to its natural proteins that help soften and moisturize. One of the prominent applications of Chinese silk is the production of silk blankets. The process begins with handling silk threads to create a soft and durable filling. After weaving, these fillings are carefully combined to form a uniform layer of silk fabric. Each blanket undergoes a strict quality control process to ensure the highest standards before leaving the factory. Silk blankets are not only a symbol of luxury and sophistication, but also offer numerous health benefits. They have the natural ability to regulate temperature, keeping the body cool in summer and warm in winter. Chinese silk blankets are the perfect combination of an ancient heritage and advanced technology, reflecting the prestige and excellence of the national silk industry. In addition to raising silkworms for silk production, silkworm pupae are also a delicacy in many regions, especially in Asian countries. They are prepared in various dishes such as deep-fried, stir-fried, or cooked in soups, with a rich, savory flavor that is both delicious and nutritious. Eating silkworm pupae not only provides a unique culinary experience, but also maximizes the use of resources from silkworms, creating a blend of tradition and creativity in the cuisine. Although silkworm pupai are a nutritious and appealing dish, some people may experience allergic reactions when consuming them, especially those with a history of allergies to insects or seafood. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Therefore, individuals with allergies to shellfish or insects should be cautious when trying this dish. At the end of the story about silk, we can't help but admire the incredible journey of these delicate silk threads, from the meticulous production process to the luxurious, captivating products. Chinese silk, with its long-standing tradition of thousands of years, continues to affirm its timeless value and beauty in the modern world. Thank you for joining us in this program. To make sure you don't miss any exciting information or projects, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We will continue to bring you even more engaging content. See you in the next episodes of Q Process. Goodbye and see you soon.